The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 BMW X3 that has a factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail based roof rack system. So this system consists of the WingBar Evo, shown here in silver, also available in black, 50 inches in length, attached to the Thule Flush Rail Evo foot pack, and connecting all that to the flush side rails is the vehicle specific fitting kit 186007. So that has a really great connection to this flush side rail and highly adjustable along the length of the rail with the recommended spacing of 27.5 inches. Total weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds evenly distributed. So great for cargo boxes, baskets, kayaks, pretty much you name it. So for more pictures, pricing, details, availability, please click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can check out all that good stuff. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.